Hello! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Max watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the BLACKVIEW application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone and the BLACKVIEW app to send the notifications to your watch. So, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here on the list of my devices, you should see the R3 Max watch. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it. And here you should see the option called Share System Notifications. And this option needs to be enabled. If you're missing this option, close the settings, open the app, tap on device, wait until it's done connecting with the iPhone. Once it's done, tap for example on application notifications and turn on notifications for one of the apps. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the pop-up on the screen about the notifications. Allow all of the permissions. And once you're done, you can close the app for now, reopen the settings, Bluetooth info icon, and this option should be here now, and make sure it is enabled. Now go back to the main page of settings, scroll through the list of options and find the BLACKVIEW application. Tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. Now we can open the BLACKVIEW application, tap on device, wait until the watch is done connecting with our iPhone. And once it's done, you can scroll through the list of options and you should see phone, SMS and app. Tap on phone first. If you want to receive the notifications about phone calls and stuff like that, you need to turn on this option right here. If you don't have required permissions enabled, you will see the pop-ups on the screen and you can tap on them to allow them. You can also enable the option to basically press the side button to hang up the call on your phone. Next, we have SMS, and here we can enable the notifications for the messages. You can also disable them by tapping on the switch. Then we have the apps. And here you can enable and disable notifications for specific apps, as you can see. Basically how it works is, if you enable notifications, for example, for WhatsApp, those notifications will be forwarded to your watch once you receive them on your iPhone. But if you disable it, you will see the notifications only on your iPhone. They won't be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. Also, if you don't see the application you want to receive the notifications from on this list right here, you need to enable the other option. And what this option does is basically it enables notifications for the apps that are not on this list. Okay, so customize this to your liking, and once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna close this app and send myself a message on Discord. And we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can simply swipe up on the home screen to open the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.